I'm guessing the horizon, the eye line would be about here somewhere, about something like that. Okay, because if you want to knock the green back, if you overdo it and think I can't use that, that's just too green, it's too bright, then simply add a bit of burnt sienna to the mix, and you'll knock it back. So here we go. There's the green. Does something like this. I definitely want cadmium yellow on that stretch, that bit there. It's really getting some sunlight. You need to. So I make a nice little flat face like that. And I'll chance my arm somewhere where it's safe to do so. In other words, if it is wrong, if it's too dark or whatever, I can get it off, and it's not going to make much difference anyway. I'm looking at my photo. There's a lovely sculptural edge, something like this. Might not be exact, but it's something like this. We would now. If I'm not careful, this left-hand side is going to be too harsh. I'm just lifting a little bit off. Let's suggest that there's something throwing a shadow across already on my painting, and I will say there's a bit of warmth up here, a bit of warmth down there at the base of the wall. Still a bit of warmth required in the castle area. Looks a little bit better for a little bit of a gap up there. There we are. Okay,